Hi, this is Saleem Khan. I am an architect at Concept Space. This is a residential building and we have resumed the construction work with proper precautions. I really enjoy being on sites. From last 2 months I missed it a lot and now here I am, feeling much better. Busiest roads and public places are empty. What I think is, this crisis is effectively imposing a task on the designers and architects to get ready for the future. And it's the right time to think about it. In terms of real estate, this crisis is heavily affecting the construction industry. In my opinion, it will take 6-7 more months before we get back to new projects. But in this meantime, we, the small business owners, are preparing for the better and hoping for a better beginning.